everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make multicolored spiral knots and square knots. Let's get started. I will begin by showing you how to make multicolored spiral knots. You will start by attaching 2 ropes to your dowel rod. I've attached mine using a lark's head knot. We will take the 2 outer ropes and tie a half square knot. So I'm going to take the right side to cross over the 2 in the middle. The side on the left goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull that tight. Now I'm going to bring in a second rope, this time a different color. I'm going to take it right behind the 2 in the middle and pull it out so that it comes out on both sides. Now I'm going to tie a half square knot as I did before. So I'm going to take this end, cross it over the 2 in the middle, the other end that's on the left goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. And you're going to want to push it up top so it's next to our last half square knot. Now I'm going to come in with my other colors, take it in front of the 2 yellow ropes, and do another half square knot. Then I go back and do my yellow ropes, bringing them in front and tying a half square knot. Again, making sure it pulls up top so it's next to the last half square. And I just keep repeating these steps until I have the amount I want so that it spirals. And there you go. That is how you can make a multicolored spiral knot. Some people like to call this the DNA pattern, as it makes that helix shape using multicolors, so it looks like a little DNA helix. Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you how to do the same thing, but only this time we'll use square knots. We will begin the same way by having 2 ropes attached with a lark's head knot, and I will go ahead and tie 1 full square knot. So I take my rope on the right, cross it over the 2 in the middle, the other string goes over, behind the 2, and through the loop. I pull that tight. Then I take the rope on the left side to cross over, the other string goes over, behind the 2, and through the loop, and I pull that tight. And now I can go in and use my next color. So like before, I'm just going to take this right behind the 2 in the middle, and I'm going to form a square knot as before. So I cross the one on the right over, then the left goes over that rope, behind the 2 and through the loop, pull it tight, then I do my left side to go over, then the right side goes over that rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through that loop, and I pull it tight. And then I'm going to repeat with my original color. Just like that. So it is a really pretty pattern, so you can switch colors while you're tying square knots in a row. It's a great pattern that you can add to any kind of project. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.